Hi guys, here's a quick demo of SearchAI, Prophetic's proprietary technology that lets you find the best development opportunities anywhere. In this example, we're going to go into the Atlanta area. First off, I'm going to turn on my cities, look at how many municipalities the Atlanta area comprises, plus we have all these counties as well. Quite difficult to find quality opportunities in an efficient way. However, SearchAI cuts through all of that. I can search by city, county, but really the best way to do it is polygon. Let's go ahead and draw a polygon on the map and assume that I want to be west of this highway, out past Chattahoochee Hills, up to Dallas, and then into Marietta as well. Great. Okay, we'll go next. And I can search by individual zone code type name if I know the zone code for the area, but realistically, search by development type, it's far easier. I want to build a residential subdivision, and I know my business model dictates that I'm always going to build lots that are 10,000 square feet or smaller. So we're looking for sites that are zoned to have a minimum lot size of 10,000 square feet or less. That way we don't get wasted time spent on, 1 acre minimum and those type of sites. Next, let's look for parcels that are 50 to 150 acres. And I want to be at least 90% uncovered. This is a really key value to input. It reduces all your false positives that you'll get from those older multifamily style developments that have a lot of existing structures and are not actually viable for development. Let's set a max of 30% wetlands coverage. I can do a lot more advanced features here, such as filtering on foreclosure status or MLS listing status. I can even do current land use type arbitrage, really, really powerful filter. This is for if you want to find industrial or office or retail sites that are actually zoned, permitted, or conditionally allowed for residential. This will find them. Highly recommend this filter in places like California, Seattle area, areas where there aren't any good opportunities left. This will find them. We'll skip all these other filters for now. Step 5 is a summary. Let's conduct the search. What this is doing is it's now looking at every piece of dirt in every zone in this entire area we just defined with our custom polygon. And when the results return, we're going to see 2 colors of pins on the map. Green pins are individual parcels that match our criteria. Blue pins are assemblages, aka multiple parcels that have the same owner that equate to our search criteria in terms of size of total parcel area. I can go pin by pin, but really the best way to do this is go to the results list. Let's start with this one here. We have an LLC owner who's owned it since 2013, RMDC zoning. What's my minimum lot area here? I can click the I. 10,000 square feet if I have a sewer connection and it's single family. Terrific. I can go verify that data on page 244 of the zoning manual. If I keep looking, you can get the same idea through all these different parcels and all these different zones. Whenever you see a value like no minimum, you can also see that it does have a separate value if it has a septic system, such as 1 acre here. So the system is very, very granular. But at the end of the day, if we find a good site we like, we can go to the property itself. This will highlight it right off the bat on the map. I can come down here and look at my density requirements. So it is 3.23 dwelling units per acre if I have a sewer connection, or only 1.63 if it's septic connected. Really helpful to know. More zoning details here. We have a ton of info on setbacks, max coverage, all these things, all ripped out from every zoning manual at scale, of course. And then all my permitted and conditional uses are here. And I can one-click filter them all to residential and see that I can indeed do single-family attached and detached product type on this site. Let's go ahead and do some quick environmental diligence. How's our wetlands? I do have a large pond. What about flood zones? Not too bad. Great. That's how easy it is using SearchAI for your teams to find high potential development dirt in any city, county, or area across the United States using Prophetic, thanks to the best AI technology out there.